Poshwani. Here is Faisal Ahmed Najjar is the on his bowling mark to the batsman Basit. This is a full toss delivery, but at the end it is first four for Rising Star Poshwani. They opens their account with 4, and this is 4 for Poshwani Rising Star and 4 for the batsman Basit. He moves on 4, and this is first delivery of this evening. The target is 184 runs. Now Faisal on his bowling mark to the batsman Basit. Here Chukar Islands, they need their early wickets if they want to win this match. This is another good delivery by Faisal. This is dot delivery, no run. Score Jimenez on 4. This is Faisal to the batsman Basit. This is good delivery by the bowler Faisal. This is a great delivery. Now Faisal on his bowling mark to the batsman Basit. This is the first over of this inning between the two teams. This is a great delivery by Faisal, but cannot impress the umpire. This is a dot delivery. Score remains on 4. This is Faisal, very young and talented bowler of Chukar Islands. He also plays under 19 cricket. This is Faisal to the batsman Basit, and this is another good delivery by Faisal. This is another dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 4. And this is Faisal. अगर हम फैसल की बात करें तो एक अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा कर रहे हैं अपनी टीम के लिए. चुकर और अंडर 19 टीम के साथ भी खेल रहे हैं. This is Faisal to the batsman Basit. This is another good delivery by Faisal. This is dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 4. After 1 hour, the score on board is 4 run. 183 runs is target for Rising Star Poshwani. Now the new bowler is Kamran Butt. अगर हम कामरान की बात करें तो बहुत ही अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा कर रहे हैं. अंडर 19 के साथ भी खेल रहे हैं. आज चुकर राइडर्स के साथ खेल रहे हैं. बहुत अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा इससे पहले भी कर चुके हैं कामरान बट. नाउ ही इज ऑन हिज बॉलिंग मार्क टू द बैट्समैन मोइन कादरी. एक अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा करना होगा यहाँ पे चुकर राइडर्स को अगर if they want to take early wickets, if they want to win this match, because they have great total on board 183 runs. The good knock played by the two batsmen Chedi and Nadeem. Very good partnership, 150 runs partnership given by the two batsmen Nadeem and Chedi to the team Chukar Riders. Very well knock played today here at Chukar Tolbagh ground. Now this is the second over of this evening. The target is 183 runs for Shining Rising Star Poshwani. Now Kamran Butt on his first over on his bowling mark to the batsman Mohin Kadri. Kamran to the batsman Mohin Kadri. This is a good delivery by Kamran Butt. At the end, the two batsmen take a single. With the single, the score moves on 5. यहाँ पे विकेट लेने होंगे. टाइटल स्कोर बोर्ड को सही करो मोहित बिल्ला. इसमें थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, उसके लिए आई एम सो सॉरी फॉर दिस. मोहित बिल्ला. मोहिन कादरी is on non-strike. Basit is on strike. Kamran is on bowling mark. And this is Kamran Butt. Very good bowling by Kamran Butt. This is another dot delivery. Score remains on 5. This is the second over of this second inning. The target is 183 runs for Rising Star Poshwani. This is Kamran Butt to the batsman Basit, and this is a chance here. Oh, this is good catch taken by the bowler Kamran Butt. This is the first wicket of Chukar Riders, and Rising Star Poshwani, they lost their first wicket in the shape of Basit. Very good caught by Kamran Bhatt. Kamran Bhatt take first wicket and he takes wicket of Basit. Rising star Poshwani, they lost their first wicket and they have only 5 runs on board. This is a great bowling by Kamran Bhatt. जितनी तारीफ की जाए आज कामरान भट्ट ने पहले विकेट दिलाई अपनी टीम चुकर राइडर्स को. बहुत ही अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा. इससे पहले भी मैंने कहा था आपसे कि कामरान भट्ट में वो क्षमता है, उसमें वो टेक्निक है, उसमें वो क्षमता है विकेट लेने की. So this is first wicket for Chukar Riders and Rising Star Poshwani. They lost their first wicket. Kamran Bhatt, he take his first wicket. This is first wicket for Kamran Bhatt. And you can also share this live stream with your friends, and you can also watch this live stream with your on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is a T20 Super Cup third edition played at Chukar Tulbagh ground. The two teams are Chukar Riders versus Rising Star Poshwani. First Rising Star Poshwani win the toss and they decided to field first, and Chukar Riders give the target of 183 runs to Rising Star Poshwani. Very well knock played by JD and Nadeem Akbar Mir. Now after 1.4 hours the score is 5 runs and they lost 5. मोहित आप कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर लिखिए आपको अब हमारी क्वालिटी और हमारी आवाज़ आप तक कैसी पहुंच पा रही है. King roll number 2, hello, thanks King for watching this live stream and keep share this live stream with your friends. and अपने आप कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर लिखिए ये टीम ये जो मैच है कौन जीत पाएगी आज. जो हाँ जितनी तारीफ की चाहे बैटिंग की उतनी कम है चुकर राइडर्स की. और कामरान भट्ट पहली विकेट दिलाई चुकर राइडर्स को. कामरान भट्ट to the new batsman Abid Arif, and this is another good delivery, great delivery by Kamran Bhatt. This is dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 5. You can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is the last delivery of this over. Kamran Bhatt, he take first wicket for Chukar Riders. This is Kamran to the new batsman. This is wide delivery given by Tawfiq Al-Noor. With this wide the score moves on 6 and they lost 1 wicket in the shape of Basit. कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए आप तक हमारी आवाज और हमारी लाइव स्ट्रीम की क्वालिटी कैसी पहुंच पा रही है. Now this is the last delivery of this over of Kamran, and this is the second over of this evening. The target is 183 runs for Rising Star Poshwani. If they want to stay on this match, they need here a big partnership. They want to give partnership here. Now Kamran Bhatt on his bowling mark to the batsman Abid, and another good delivery by Kamran Bhatt. This is dot delivery, good over by Kamran Bhatt. This is 2 hours complete and the score on board is 6. Kamran Bhatt gives only 2 runs on his first over and take 1 wicket off Basit. Faisal also completes 1 hour and he gave only 4 hours. The great bowling by the bowlers of Chukar Riders. Now Faisal, new and young and energetic bowler of Chukar Riders. Now he is on his bowling mark, Mohammad Rafiq Tar. Thank you for your love and keep share this live stream with your friends, and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. Right now this is Faisal to the batsman Mohin Qadri, and this is another good delivery by Faisal, but at the end the two batsmen take a single. With this single the score moves on 7 and they lost 1 wicket. This is a great bowling by Faisal. He is energetic and young bowler of Chukar Riders. He also plays with under 19 team. He is a young and talented bowler of Chukar. Now Faisal Ahmed to the batsman Abid Arif. Thank you sir for your love, Rafiq Dar Saab and King. Come on Faisal bhai, thank you King Saab for watching this, and keep support this live stream, and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is Faisal to the batsman Abid. This is another good delivery by Faisal. This is dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 7 for the loss of 1 wicket. Tawfiqa, runner, runner. Now this is Faisal on his bowling mark to the batsman Abid Arif, and this is great bowling by that. And this is another. This is the two batsmen take a single. Great fielding at the end. Great bowling by Faisal Ahmed. Well and energetic bowler of Chukar Riders. After 2.3 hours, the score on board is 8. and they lost 1 wicket. Now Faisal on his bowling mark to the batsman Mohin Qadri. Oh, this is another good delivery by Faisal. Dot delivery, no run. Very good bowling by Faisal. Score remains on 8 runs and they lost 1 wicket. King out. Thank you, King Saab, for your support to Chukar Railers. This is Faisal to the batsman Mohin Qadri. Oh, this is good shot played, but at the end, very good fielding by the fielder Mir Umar Ubaid. The two batsmen take a single. With this single, the score moves on 9 runs. And this is the third over of this evening of Rising Star Poshwani. Their target is 183 runs per Poshwani. Now they need 174 runs. Now this is Faisal to the batsman Abid Arif. And this is another good delivery by Faisal. This is dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 9 after 3 hours. Yet to bat Farhan, Mubashir Shafi, Majid Ubaid is yet to bat for Rising Star Poshwani. They need here a big partnership if they want to stay in this match. And Chukar Railers need early wickets. Now Kamran Butt, he's on his second over. He takes early 1 wicket for his team. He gives only 2 runs. जितनी तारीफ की जाए आज इन दो बॉलरों की, कामरान और फैसल की, बहुत ही अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया आज चुका राइल्स को एक विकेट दिलाई. This is Kamran to Mohin Qadri. Mohin Qadri plays a shot, but at the end very good fielding by the bowler Kamran. This is a dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 9. This is a great fielding by Kamran, but at the end, now Kamran on his bowling mark to the batsman Mohin Qadri. And this is Fulta. Here is chance of a wicket. Oh, this is wicket for Kamran, but this is another wicket for Chukar Railers. Rising Star Poshwani, they lost their second wicket and they have only 9 wickets in on board. This is great bowling by Kamran, but great catching by Nadeem Akbar Mir. आज जितनी तारीफ की जाए नदीम की, जेडी की, आज जितनी तारीफ की कामरान बट की, he takes early 2 wickets for his team. Very good bowling by the bowler Kamran Butt. And good catch by Nadeem Akbar Mir. Now the score on board is 9 runs and they lost their early 2 wickets. यहाँ पे एक पार्टनरशिप की दरकार है राइजिंग स्टार पोशवानी को. अगर इस मैच में बने रहना है तो एक पार्टनरशिप की जरूरत है. This is a great bowling by Kamran Butt. इससे पहले भी हमने कहा था इसमें क्षमता है विकेट लेने की, क्योंकि एक अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा करते हैं कामरान बट. तो विकेट दिलाए अपनी टीम को चुकर राइल्स को. नाउ उमर डार, थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग दिस लाइव स्ट्रीम. कम ऑन फैसल बाय, थैंक यू. एंड आल्सो फैसल is also good bowler for Chukar Railers. The two bowlers Kamran Butt and Faisal, they are the two bowlers who are energetic bowler and young bowler for Chukar Railers. They also play with under 19 cricket team. Night Chukar Cricket Club. Very good bowling by Kamran. And now after 3.3 hours, the score on board is 9 and they lost 2 early wickets. Now Rising Star Poshwani, they need partnership. They need 174 runs here. King, come on Kamish. Thank you Kim for your support to Kamran Butt. This is Kamran on his bowling mark to the new batsman Zubair Qadir. Zubair Qadir is the new batsman for Rising Star Poshwani. आज जितनी तारीफ की जाए चुकर राइल्स की, अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा किया आज चुकर राइल्स ने, दिल खुश किया आज अपने चाहने वालों को की. नाउ कामरान बट टू द बैट्समैन. दिस इज डॉट डिलीवरी हियर बाय कामरान. Kashmiri bhai Washik from Saudi Arabia, thank you Kashmiri bhai for your support for watching this live stream. And you can also watching this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal Dar. It's under 19 kin under 40. This is T20 Super Cup third edition played at Chukatul background. This is Kamran player. Another good delivery by and very good fielding by Irshad lefty. And this is dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 9. And they lost 2 early wickets. King, roll number 3. Hello, thank you King Saab. And thank you Kashmiri bhai for your support for watching this live stream. And you can also share this live stream with your friends. This is a T20 Super Cup played at Chukatul background. The two teams are Chukar Riders versus Rising Star Poshmani. This is Kamran Butt to the batsman Zubair Qadri. This is a wide delivery and missed by the wicketkeeper Kaiser. This is wide and 4 boys. अगर हम यहाँ पे बात करेंगे कामरान बट की तो एक अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया आज बॉलिंग में 2 विकेट छटकाए अपनी टीम को दिलाए 2 विकेट सिर्फ 7 रन खर्च किए अपने दूसरे ओवर में कामरान बट. Now the score on board is 14 runs with the help of these wide and these 4 boys. Kamran Butt to the batsman Zubair Qadir. This is another good bowling by Kamran Butt. Dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 40. And this is the 4th over of this evening. The target is 183 runs for Rising Star Poshmani. Sajjad Amattar, Royals on fire. Thank you Sajjad Sir for watching this. This is Kamran Butt to the Zubair Qadir. This is a shot played by the batsman Zubair for 4. This is 4 for Zubair, 4 for Rising Star. They need these 4s and 6s here if they want to stay in this match. The score after 4 hours is 18 runs and they lost 2 wickets. Basit, Sajjad Dar Sahab, thank you for watching this live stream and you also support me and you also share this live stream with your friends. And you can also watching this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. Now the target for Rising Star Poshmani is 183 runs. Kamran Butt completes his 2 hours and he take 2 wickets. And that big name Irshad Lefty. Irshad Lefty come to bowl his. Now this is Tahir to the bowling mark. Tahir on his bowling mark to the batsman Abid. आज जितनी तारीफ की जाए नदीम और जेडी की और कामरान की अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा किया. आज चुका रॉयल्स ने दिल जीत लिया अपने चाहने वालों के. Now this is Tahir, the new bowler on his bowling mark to the batsman Abid Arif. This is the 5th over of this inning. This is a full toss delivery, not good delivery by Tahir. This is first six for the batsman Abid Arif. First 6 for Rising Star Poshmani. With this 6, the score moves on 18 runs. This is not a good ball by Tahir. This is full toss delivery. The score moves on 24 runs. And they lost 2 wickets. Now Rising Star Poshmani, they need 159 runs. They need a partnership here. They need here runners, 159 runs. Now Tahir to the batsman Abid Arif. This is the first 6 played by the batsman Abid Arif. First 6 for Rising Star Poshmani. They need here this kind of shots. Tahir on his bowling mark to the batsman Abid. This is a court bowling at and the 2 batsmen take a single. With this single, the score moves on 25 runs. And they lost 2 early wickets. Now this is a super knockout match between the 2 teams. Chukar Riders versus Rising Star Poshmani. Here is Tahir Ahmad on his bowling mark to the batsman Zubair Qadir. He is on 4 runs. This is Tahir. This is another shot played by the batsman. This is 6 by the batsman Zubair Qadir. 6 for Rising Star Poshmani. Not good bowling by Tahir. Expensive over here by Tahir Ahmad. The score moves on 31. King Chicken, thank you King Sir for watching this live stream. This is Zubair Qadir. He is on strike now. Tahir on his bowling mark to the batsman Zubair. Now Rising Star Poshmani, they need 152 runs. They need here a big partnership if they want to stay in this match. They need 150 runs, 52 runs. This is the expensive over of this evening by Chukar Riders. The bowler Tahir Ahmad on his bowling mark to the batsman Zubair Qadir. And this is a good ball at the end, very good fielding by Sajjad Dar. And this is dot delivery, no runs. Score remains on 31. Azhar Lone, love you. Thank you Azhar Lone Sahab for watching this live stream. Keep share this live stream with your friends and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is Sajjad Amattar. Tahir ko bolo dam se karo. Thank you. Sajad Far, you are allowed to Tahir. This is dot delivery. And the score remains on 31. And they lost 2 wickets. This is the last delivery of this over of Tahir. And this is the 5th over of this evening. The score on board is 31 for the loss of 2. The Tahir 2, that's bad. And this is a good ball. And this is single here by the 2 batsmen. With this single, the score moves on 32 after 5 overs. Zubair Qadir, he's on 11. Abid Arif, he's on 8 runs. Kamran Bhatt completed 2. Faisal Ahmed completed 2. Tahir Ahmed is expensive. He completed 1 and gave us 14 runs. Kashmiri Bhai, love Kamran. Thank you, Kashmiri Bhai, for your love to Kamran. Love for Kamran. This is Kashmiri Bhai's love to Kamran Bhatt. Now the big man Tahir Irshad lefty is on his bowling mark. Very experienced cricketer of Chukar Irshad lefty. This is the first over of Irshad lefty. He is on his bowling mark to the batsman Zubair Qadir. This is a good ball by Irshad lefty. Dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 32. Khaki Ejaz Hussain. Thank you, Khaki Ejaz, for watching this live stream. He plays also very well knock off 128 runs here at Chukar Tulbagh. And best luck for your next match. This is another good delivery by Irshad lefty. This is dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 32. Muhammad Asif. Target kya hai? 183 runs is the target for rising star Poshwani. The score is 32. This is Irshad lefty to the batsman. The 2 batsmen take a single here. With this single, the score moves on 33 runs. Thank you, Muhammad Asif Sah, for your love, for your support to this live stream. And you can also share this live stream with your friends. And you can also watch this match on my YouTube channel, Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. King, tomorrow T20 Super Cup Under 19 played at Chukar Tulbagh ground. This is second quarter final tomorrow between Tangmarg Blues versus Rising Star Sajat. Played tomorrow at Chukar Tulbagh ground, which is under 19 T20 tournament play tomorrow. And this is a wide delivery given by the umpire Tawfiq Al Noor. With this wide, the score moves on 34. Tomorrow is the big match between Tangmarg Blues versus Rising Star under 19 T20 tournament cup. This is a chance spot at the end, missed by wicket keeper. And this is 4 for Rising Star Poshwani and 4 for Abid Ashraf. Semidar, love you Irshad lefty. Thank you for your love to Irshad lefty. This is a love for Irshad lefty by Semi. Thank you for watching this live stream. Keep share this live stream with your friends. Now Irshad lefty to the batsman Abid Arif. Muhammad Asif Irshad by Yarkar. Then if this is another good delivery by Irshad lefty. Dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 38. Now Rising Star Poshwani, they need here big shots. They need 145 runs. They need big partnership here. This is another good delivery by Irshad lefty. This is dot delivery, no run. After 6 hours, the score is 38 runs on board, and they lost 2 wickets. Faisal Najjar, he completed 2. Kamran Bhatt 2. Tahir Ahmed 1. Irshad lefty 1. Zahid Uyub, it is under 19. No, this is not under 19 tournament. This is a 3rd edition T20 tournament. Tomorrow is under 19 tournament here played between the 2 teams, Tangmarg Red Blues, Tangmarg Blues versus Sajat Shining Star. That match is tomorrow at Chukar Tulbagh ground. At present, the 2 teams are Chukar Royals versus Rising Star Poshwani. Thank you, Zahid Uyub Sah, for watching this live stream, and keep share this live stream with your friends. And this is T20 Super Cup played at Chukar Tulbagh ground. The 2 teams are Rising Star Poshwani versus now the big man issue come to bowl is a very experienced bowler and good cricketer of this team, Chukar Royals, and also the captain of Chukar Royals team. Now he is on his bowling mark to the batsman Abid Arif, and this is a good shot played by the batsman Abid Ashraf, but at the end very good fielding, but cannot stop the 2 batsmen to take a single. The partnership is on 30 runs and they face 17 deliveries. Now score is on about 39 runs. Ishfaq D, he is on his bowling mark to the batsman Abid Arif, Sajad Ahmad Dar, Ishfaq ko bolo, Fasil ko andar lao. Thank you for your love. Oh, this is Chance and this is wicket for Ishfaq. This is the loss of Abid Arif. And this is first wicket for Ishfaq D. He takes his first wicket on his second delivery. And great bowling by, great catch taken by Nadeem Akbar Mir. This is second catch of Nadeem. And this is the fourth wicket for rising star Poshwani. Come on, caption King. Thank you, King, for watching this live stream. Now this is the third wicket for rising star Poshwani. They lost their 3 wickets and they have only 39 runs on board. Now Poshwani, they need here partnership, great partnership here, because they need 43 runs here, 44 runs in 82 deliveries. Ishfaq T gives his first wicket in first over. Sajad Ahmad Dar, Ishfaq game changer, really his game changer. Well dot delivery by Ishfaq and well catch by Nadeem Akbar Mir at the end. आज जितनी तारीफ की जाए कम है आज चुका रॉयल्स की। आज दिल जीत लिया अपने चाहने वालों की। आज अच्छी बैटिंग का मुजाहरा किया, बैटिंग का भी अच्छा मुजाहरा किया। हालांकि 3 अर्ली विकेट्स गंवाए चुका रॉयल्स ने, लेकिन नदीम अकबर मीर और जेडी ने एक अच्छी पार्टनरशिप दी आज चुका रॉयल्स को। 150 की पार्टनरशिप दी अपनी टीम को चुका रॉयल्स को। नाउ इशफाक डार, he is also the captain of this team Chukka Royals. Now he is on his bowling mark. The new batsman on crease is Ubaid. Now Ubaid, and this is a wide delivery given by the umpire Tawfiqul Noor. With this wide, the score moves on 40. But Sajad Ahmad Dar, Faisal ko andar lana. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your love to Royals, Chukka Royals. Here is another good delivery by Ishfaq. This is dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 40, and they lost 3 early wickets. Now Rising Star, they need partnership here. This is another good delivery by Ishfaq. At the end, it is a single, no run. Score remains on 40. आज अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया चुका रॉयल्स के बॉलर्स ने। इशफाक, he is on his bowling mark to the batsman Ubaid. Here is a chance of a wicket. This is another wicket. Oh, this is another wicket for Ishfaq. Another wicket for Chukka Royals. They lost Rising Star. They lost their 4th wicket in the shape of Ubaid. This is great bowling by Ishfaq, the captain of Chukka Royals. आज जितनी तारीफ की जाए चुका रॉयल्स की बहुत ही कम है। आज दिल जीत लिया अपने चाहने वालों की। चुका रॉयल्स ने आज अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा किया यहाँ पे चुकर तुलबा ग्राउंड पे। दिस इज थर्ड एडिशन T20 played at Chukka Tulba ground. The two teams are Chukka Royals versus Rising Star Poshwani. First Rising Star Poshwani, they win this toss and they opted to field first. After 20 hours, the target given by Chukka Royals, 183 runs to Rising Star Poshwani. Very well knock played today by JD and Nadeem Akbar Mir. 154 partnership played today at Chukka Tulba ground. अब बॉलरों की हम बात करें तो एक अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया आज कामरान भट्ट और इशफाक ने, फैसल ने 4 विकेट छटकाए। जल्दी 4 विकेट, सिर्फ 40 रन पर 4 विकेट छटकाए चुका रॉयल्स ने। यहाँ पे अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा आज चुका रॉयल्स के दौरान। This is Ishfaq. He takes his 2 wickets in his first over. King out. Thank you, King, for your support to Chukka Royals, and also Sajad Dar for your support to Chukka Royals. This is great bowling here by the captain of Chukka Royals, Ishfaq Dar. He is the game changer of this team. Ishu के नाम से जाना जाते हैं. Now the new batsman on crease is Saqib. Ishfaq to the new batsman Saqib Malik. Here is another chance, and it is single by the two batsmen. Take a single. The score moves on 41 run. Nadeem Akbar Mir 89 runs की knock यहाँ पे, और JD 61, Javed Lone 7. Now after 7 hours, the score on board is 41, and they lost 4 early wickets. Now Rising Star Poshwani, they need 141 runs. Now on bowling mark Nadeem आज नदीम की जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम है, क्योंकि आज 2 कैच लिए, बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण विकेट दिलाए, 2 कैच दिलाए अपनी टीम को और अच्छी बैटिंग का मुजाहरा किया। अब बॉलिंग, ओह here was the chance but at the end it is missed by JD and this is great bowling by Nadeem. Here was the chance of a wicket but at the end JD misses this catch. The 2 batsmen take a single. With the single the score moves on 42 runs. Now Zubair Qadir, he's on strike, he's on 30 runs. Nadeem to the batsman Zubair. This is a great bowling by Nadeem, dot delivery, no run. Faizan Farooq, assalamu alaikum, thank you for your support, for your love. Walaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Nadeem to the batsman in the batsman plays another shot, but at the end very good fielding by the fielder Sajjad, but cannot stop the 2 batsmen to take a single. With this single the score moves on 43 runs and they lost 4 early, 4 wickets. Now Nadeem on his bowling mark to the batsman Saqib Malik. Saqib Malik is the new batsman for Rising Star Poshwani. Ratir Shabir Saab by lefty. This is another good delivery by Nadeem Akbar Mir. अगर हम बात करें आज नदीम की, आज बहुत ही अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा दिखाया आज नदीम ने। This is Nadeem to the batsman, another good delivery, dot delivery. Score remains on 43 runs and they lost 4 early wickets. Faizan Farooq, Rylas will win inshallah. Thank you for your love to Chukar Rylas and your support Faizan Farooq Saab. This is a good bowling by Nadeem Akbar Mir. He completed his first over. The score after 8 overs is 43 runs and they lost 4 early wickets. Sajjad Ahmad Dar, Nadeem Shah Zulagan. Thank you Nadeem Sajjad Saab for your love to Nadeem Akbar Mir Saab, and this is very love to Nadeem Akbar Saab. Thank you for watching this live stream. Keep share this live stream with your friends, and you can also watching this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. Today's match is between Chukar Rylas versus Rising Star Poshwani. First Rising Star Poshwani win the toss and they decide to field first. After 20 hours the target for Rising Star Poshwani is 183 runs, but after 3 hours their score is 43 runs and they lost 4 early wickets. Issue, the player of this Chukar Rylas, the captain, he takes 2 early wickets for his team, and Kamran Butt, he takes already 2 wickets for his team. Very good bowling by the 2 bowlers, Kamran Butt, Ishfaq Butt and Faisal, Nadeem, Tahir, Mohid Billah. Thank you Mohid Billah for your love, for your support and keep share this live stream. यहाँ पे थोड़ा वक्फा पानी का. Keep share this live stream with your friends, and you can also watching this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. आज जितनी तारीफ की जाए चुकर राइलर्स की, आज अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा किया, बैटिंग से भी, बॉलिंग से भी और फील्डिंग से भी आज अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा दिया आज चुकर राइलर्स ने. डार उमर, इशफाक को मेरा सलाम बोलो. थैंक यू डार उमर साहब, एंड दिस इज सलाम फॉर इशफाक डार, द कैप्टन ऑफ चुकर राइलर्स. दिस इज इशफाक टू द बैट्समैन Zubair. This is another good delivery. Here is the chance, but at the end not given by the third umpire. Here was the chance of but at the end great bowling by Ishfaq, dot delivery. Score remains on 43. Daroof, Rylas are smashing. Thank you Daroof Saab for watching this and for your love to Chukar Rylas. This is a very good cricket today played by Chukar Rylas by the batsman Chedi and Nadeem. This is Ishfaq to the batsman Zubair Qadir. Another good delivery by Ishfaq. Here was the appeal, but not impressed the umpire Tawfiq Noor. This is dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 43. This is Ishfaq to the batsman Zubair. Oh, this is 6 by Zubair Qadir. This is first 6 for Zubair and 6 for Rising Star Poshwani. The score moves on 49 runs and they lost early 4 wickets. Now Yattu Ejaz. Good ground. Thank you Yattu Ejaz for your support for watching this live stream. This is a huge 6 by Zubair Qadir. Keep share this live stream with your friends, and you can also support me on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. Also subscribe here on my channel YouTube Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. Here is Ishfaq to the batsman Zubair. This is another shot played by the batsman. Here's the chance, and this is the end of Zubair Qadir, and this is the 3rd wicket of the captain of Chukar Rylas, and 5th wicket for Chukar Rylas, and Rising Star, they lost their 5th wicket in the shape of Zubair Qadir. It is caught by Tahir. It is the 3rd wicket for Ishfaq Dar. game changer of this Chukar Royals. Great bowling here by the captain of Chukar Royals. 5th wicket, and they have only 49 runs on board after 8.4 hours. And Ishfaq is on his second over. He give only 9 runs, and he take 3 wickets. This is great bowling by Ishfaq. Also by Kamran, Nadeem, Ishfaq, Tahir, Faisal, King. Live streaming share karo. Tawfiq, I got share ho per group mas. This is Ishfaq, but ek ball chuk pat. This is live stream. Ishfaq WhatsApp. Thank you for watching this live stream. Keep share this live stream. This is Ishfaq. He is on fire now. He takes 3 wickets for his team. Now the score on board is 49 runs, and they lost 5 early wickets after 8.4 hours. Darwi is good. Thank you, Darwi Sarfar. This is another good shot ball by Ishfaq. At the end, missed by the bowler. The 2 batsmen take a single. With the single, the score moves on 50. And they lost early 5 wickets. This is Ishfaq to the batsman Saqib Malik. And this is another shot played by Saqib, but at the end, very good fielding by Nadeem Akbar Mir. The 2 batsmen take single after 9 hours. The score is 51, and they lost 5 early wickets. Now the bowler is Nadeem on his bowling mark to the batsman Saqib Malik. Here is a chance of wicket, and missed by a shot lefty. There was a chance of another wicket, but great bowling by Nadeem. The 2 batsmen take a single. With the single, the score moves on 52 runs. Sajjad Ahmed Dar. Where is Lala? Lala is at 3rd umpiring. This is Nadeem to the batsman, and at the end, it is dot delivery. Score remains on 52 run for the loss of 5. This is Nadeem to the batsman. Rais Malik is the new batsman. This is another good delivery, dot delivery. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching this live stream. This is Nadeem to the batsman, and another player charge. This is 4. This is 4 for Rais, 4 for Rising Star. They need here partnership. They need here big shots if they want this. They want to stay in this match. They want to win this match. Now this is Nadeem on his bowling mark to the batsman Rais Malik. This is another good delivery by. Here is yes no, but the 2 batsmen take a single. With the single, the score moves on 57, and they lost 5 early wickets. लाला इस वक्त आराम कर रहे हैं. लाला पता नहीं वो कहाँ पे है, इसके लिए सारी लाला नहीं है यहाँ पे. So Sajjad Dar, thank you for your love. Thank you for watching this live stream. Keep share this live stream. This is the last delivery of this over of Nadeem Akbar Mir. अगर हम आज बात करेंगे बॉलिंग की, तो आज अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया आज चुका रॉयल्स ने. आज अच्छे खेल का मुजाहरा किया. This is Nadeem to Saqib Malik. This is dot delivery, no run. After 10 hours, the score for Poshtwani Rising Star is 57 run, and they lost 5. Zubair Qadir is on 20. Abid goes on 12 runs. Now the batsman is Saqib Malik and Rais Malik. Now the captain Ishfaq Dar come again on his 3rd over. The batsman on strike is Rais Malik. Ishfaq Dar. Oh, this is another wicket for Ishfaq Dar. Another wicket for Chukar Royals. And Rising Star, they lost their 6th wicket in the shape of Rais Malik. This is great bowling by Ishfaq Dar. He take 4 wickets. Rais Malik, he lost his, Saqib Malik lost his wicket. Great bowling here by Ishfaq Dar, the captain of Chukar Royals. आज दिल जीत लिए चुका रॉयल्स ने अपने चाहने वालों के. जितनी तारीफ की जाए चुका रॉयल्स की उतनी कम है आज. Ishfaq Dar leading from the front to his team. He is also the captain of this team. Very good bowling by Ishfaq Dar. आज जितनी तारीफ की जाए इशफाक की, 4 विकेट छटकाया अपने नाम किए. 4 विकेट, सिर्फ 11 रन खर्च किए. Today, great bowling by the captain of Chukar Royals, Ishfaq Dar. Now the new batsman on strike is Akil is the new batsman for Rising Star Poshwani. Here is a lazy cricket played by Poshwani Rising Star. Now Ishfaq to the batsman Akil is the new batsman. Another good delivery by Ishfaq. Another dot delivery. No run. Score remains on 57 for the loss of 6 wickets after 10.2 overs. Ishfaq on his bowling mark to the batsman Akil. Another good delivery. Dot delivery. This is a great bowling by Ishfaq, the captain of this team, Chukar Royals. Game changer of this team, Ishfaq Dar on his bowling mark. Another chance for Chukar Royals. This is another wicket for. This is the 5th haul for Ishfaq Dar. This is good, great bowling by Ishfaq Dar. And 7th wicket, Rising Star. They lost their 7th wicket in the shape of Akil. And he goes on duck. आज जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम है Ishfaq Dar की. He is the game changer of this Chukar Royals team. He is also the captain of this team. He take 5 wickets in his name and he give only 11 runs. This is a great bowling by the captain Ishfaq Dar. Now the score on board is 57 for the loss of 7 wicket. After 10.4 hours, King roll number 7 alert. Thank you King Saab for this roll number 7. Sajad Ahmad Dar, Ishfaq man of the match. Really he takes 5 wickets and he give only 11 runs. Very good knock. Very good knock also played by Cherry and Nadeem Akbar Mir. And also great bowling by Ishfaq, the captain of this team, Chukar Royals. He take a haul of 5. This is a great bowling by the captain, game changer of this Chukar Royals, Adil Bashir. Well bowled Ishfaq Dar. Thank you Adil Saab for your support to Ishfaq Dar, for your support Chukar Royals. Thank you for watching this live stream. Now Chukar Royals, they need only 3 wickets for this win. Can they take their early 3 wickets? It will be seen in next. Now Ishfaq, and at the end very good catch taken by the player, senior player of this Irshad Lefty. Now the new batsman Mubashir Shafi is the new batsman on crease. He is on strike now. Ishfaq to the batsman Mubashir. The score remaining on 57 and they lost 7. Now Ishfaq to the batsman Mubashir. Oh, there was a chance of wicket but at the end very good delivery by Ishfaq Dar. Great bowling by Ishfaq. This is missed by the batsman Mubashir Shafi. Chuke batsman Mubashir Shafi. King roll number 8 alert. Thank you King for your love to support to the Chukar Royals. This is Ishfaq to the batsman Mubashir Shafi. Mubashir Shafi played the shot for here the 2 batsmen take a single. यहाँ पे 1 रन की दरकार नहीं है, यहाँ पे छक्के और चौकों की दरकार है. Rising Star, if they want to stay in this match, if they want to win this match, but Chukar Royals की बात करें तो आज जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम है Chukar Royals की. आज अपने दर्शकों को खुश किया Chukar Royals ने, खासकर कैप्टन ने जितनी अच्छी बॉलिंग की. 5 विकेट छटकाए अपने नाम, सिर्फ 11 रन दिए, 12 रन खर्च किए. After 3 hours, he gave only 12 runs and take 5 wickets. Now Nadeem Akbar Mir, he is on his bowling mark to the batsman Mubashir Shafi. Love for umpire Adil Bashir. Thank you for your love to umpire Tawfiq Al Noor. Thanks for your love to Adil Bashir. And today T20 third edition played at Chukar Tulba ground. This is Nadeem to the batsman Mubashir. This is full toss delivery by Nadeem, but at the end the batsman played a shot for a single. यहाँ पे सिर्फ 3 विकेट चाहिए इस मैच को जीतने के लिए Chukar Royals को. This is Nadeem to the batsman Saqib Malik. This is a great bowling by Nadeem Mir. This is the 3rd over of Nadeem. Nadeem on his bowling mark to the batsman Saqib Malik. Here the batsman plays a shot for at the end. Very good fielding by the captain Ishfaq Dar. The 2 batsmen take a single. With the single the score moves on 16 runs. Nadeem to the batsman Mubashir Shafi. Here was the full toss but at the end he lost his wicket. And Nadeem Mir, he takes his first wicket. And Rising Star, they lost their 8th wicket. Now Chukar Royals, they need only 2 wickets to win this match. Nadeem Akbar Mir he take his first wicket in the shape of Mubashir Saqib Malik. Mubashir. This is a great bowling by the bowlers of Chukar Railers. आज जितनी तारीफ की जाए चुकर राइलर्स की उतनी कम है. आज दिल खुश किए अपने चाहने वालों की. खासकर आज बैटिंग की अगर बात करें चुकर राइलर्स ने अच्छी बैटिंग का मुजाहरा किया. खासकर नदीम अकबर मीर ने जेडी ने अच्छी बैटिंग का मुजाहरा किया. 150 रन की पार्टनरशिप दी आज अपनी टीम को चुकर राइलर्स को. अब बॉलिंग में अगर हम बात करें चुकर राइलर्स की तो अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया. चुकर राइलर्स ने 5 विकेट छटकाए. सिर्फ 12 रन खर्च किए इशफाक डार ने. Here was some confusion between the two batsmen and bowler and umpires, and this is not out. This is given no ball by the third umpire Shahnawaz Dani. Score stands on 60, and this is not out given by the third umpire Shahnawaz. Not now Nadeem to the batsman Mubashir. Now here is the chance. This is end of Mubashir Bashir, and this was the free hit. Sorry, this was the free hit. I'm very sorry for this. The score remains on 60, and they lost 8 wickets. Nadeem Mir to the batsman. This is a good shot played by the batsman Mubashir. This is huge 6. This is 6 for Mubashir, 6 for Rising Star Poshwani. With the 6, the score moves on 66. And they lost early 8 wickets. Now they need 123 runs in 50 deliveries. King man of the match Nadeem Akbar Mir. It was next scene in this match. Who was the man of this match? First they should win this match because they have need 2 wickets, 3 wickets now for this win. Now Ishfaq Dar, the captain of this team, to the batsman. Here is another chance, but this is a 4 for the batsman Saqib Malik, 4 for Rising Star Poshwani. Irshad Ghoshi, ये अच्छी टीम नहीं है. Thank you Irshad Ghoshi for your love to Chukar Railers. This is Ishfaq, another dot delivery. Score remains on 70, and they lost 7. Irshad Ghoshi, Royal is the best team. Thank you Irshad for your love, for your support to Chukar Railers. This is another shot played by the batsman Saqib Malik, but cannot stop the 2 batsmen to take a single. With this single, the score goes on 71, and they lost 7. Now Ishfaq to Mubashir. Mubashir plays another shot. The 2 batsmen take a single. यहाँ पे सिंगलों का दरकार नहीं है. यहाँ पे छक्के और चौकों की जरूरत है. राइजिंग स्टार पोशवानी को सिंगल से काम नहीं बनेगा यहाँ पे. Rising Star Poshwani ko. This is wide delivery given by the umpire Tawfiq Al-Noor. With this wide, the score moves on 73 runs, and they lost 7. This is another good shot played by Saqib Malik. This is 6 for Saqib Malik and 6 for Rising Star Poshwani. With this 6, the score moves on 79 runs. यहाँ पे छक्कों की जरूरत है पोशवानी को. अगर इस मैच में बने रहना है तो छक्के और चौकों की जरूरत है. और चुकर राइलर्स को सिर्फ 3 विकेट चाहिए अपनी इस जीत को. This is Ishfaq, and this is expensive over by the captain of this team, Ishfaq Dar. Now Rising Star Poshwani, they need 104 runs. They need big 6s here. They need 4s here. This is another shot played the batsman Saqib Malik, but at the end very good fielding. The 2 batsmen take a single. With this single, the score moves on 80 runs after 13 hours. Sajjad Ahmad Dar, Ishfaq tired now. Yes, he is tired now because he plays today very well by ball. He takes 5 early wickets for his team, Chukar Railers, and this is very great bowling by. He completes his 4 hours and he takes 5 wickets for his team. Now Nadeem, he is on his 4th over to the bowling mark to the batsman Saqib Malik. He plays on 17 runs. This is good bowling by Nadeem Mir. This is dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 80. Nadeem, this is his 4th over. This is Saqib Malik plays another shot for another 6. This is 6 for Saqib Malik. 6 years for rising star Poshwani. Here Chukar Royals, they need wickets here if they want to win this match. They need to break this partnership of these two batsmen between Mubashir and Saqib Malik. Manzoor Ahmad Tar needing 103 runs on 40 deliveries. Nadeem on his bowling mark to the batsman Saqib. Saqib now he is on 23 runs and he faces 17 deliveries. अब यहाँ पे हिकट चटकाने होंगे, इस पार्टनरशिप को तोड़ना होगा यहाँ पे चुका रॉयल्स को अगर इस मैच को जीतना होगा. And Chuka and Rising Star, they need this partnership. They need hit sixes, big sixes and big fours here if they want to stay in this match, because they have only 40 balls and 97 runs need. Now Nadeem to the batsman Saqib. This is full toss delivery, not good delivery by Nadeem. This is another 6 given by the umpire Shahnawaz, and this is full toss delivery. 6 for Saqib, 6 for Rising Star. The partnership is going on 35 runs and they face only 17. Saqib Malik, he is on 29 and Mubashir Shafi is on non-strike 9 runs. Chukar Royals, they need this partnership, break this partnership. Score is 92 on board. Now Chukar Royals, they need 3 wickets and Rising Star Poshwani, they need here partnership of these two batsmen. They need hit big shots here because they have only 40 deliveries and they need 91 runs in 39 deliveries. Manzoor Dar, thank you for watching this live stream. Keep share this live stream with your friends, and you can also watching this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is Nadeem to the batsman Saqib Malik. Oh, this is Saqib Malik with another shot. This is another 4 for Saqib, another 4 for Rising Star Poshwani. यहाँ पे विकेट चाहिए रॉयल स्कोर, यहाँ पे रन्स नहीं देने हैं अगर इस मैच में बने रहना है, इस मैच को जीतना है. और Rising Star, they need this batsman Saqib Malik if they want to win this match. Now 38 deliveries are remaining and 87 runs Rising Star need. They need this partnership here. If Chukar Royals wants to win this match, they would break this partnership here. Nadeem to the batsman Saqib. This is totally no run. Score remains on 96. यहाँ पे विकेट चाहिए Chukar Royals को अगर इस मैच को जीतना होगा. और अगर पोशवानी की बात करें तो उनको यहाँ पे छक्के और चौके की जरूरत है. This is another good delivery by Nadeem. Dot delivery. After 14 hours, the score is 96 and they lost 7 early wickets. Saqib Malik is the batsman for Rising Star Poshwani. He is on 33 runs. He just faced 21 deliveries. Can this batsman Saqib Malik give the chance of winning to the team Poshwani? It will be seen in next because Saqib Malik plays a good knock here, 33 runs. Now the score on board is 96. Poshwani Rising Star, they need 87 runs in 36 deliveries. Now the new bowler is Mir Ubaid, is the new bowler on bowling mark. The batsman Mubashir Shafi. Mir Ubaid to Mubashir Bashir. This is the shot played by the batsman Mubashir Bashir for single. With this single, the score moves on 96. King lefty ko bolo Kamran ko bowling do. Thank you for your love to Chukar Royals and your support. This is Mir Ubaid to the batsman Saqib Malik. Oh, here was the chance but at and it is only a single. The two batsmen take a single. With this single, the score moves on 98 run. Irshad Gojri, कसम से ये अच्छी टीम नहीं है Royal. Thank you Irshad sir for watching this live stream and keep share this live stream with your friends, and you can also watching this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is Mir Ubaid to the batsman Mubashir Bashir. Oh, this is a wide delivery given by the umpire Shahnawaz. यहाँ पे विकेट चाहिए रॉयल्स को, 3 विकेट दरकार है जीत के लिए. लेकिन अगर हम बात करें साकिब मलिक की, well knock here played and this is another wide given by the umpire. Not good bowling by Mir Ubaid. यहाँ पे अच्छी बॉलिंग करनी होगी चुकर रॉयल्स को अगर इस मैच में बने रहना है. because this is a good partnership played between the two batsmen, Mubashir and Shakib Malik. Mubashir, he's on strike. Oh, here is the chance, but at the end, not but the two bat. Oh, this is a good throw by the Irshad lefty. This is the cut of Mubashir Bashir. Very good cricket play by Chukar Rilers. At the end, very good fielding by Irshad lefty. This is wicket for Chukar Rilers and rising star Pushwani. They lost their 8th wicket in the shape of Mubashir Bashir. Now Chukar Rilers, they need 2 wickets only for this win. बहुत ही अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा यहाँ दिखाया आज इरशाद लेफ्टी ने. आज विकेट चटकाई अपने टीम के लिए, एक विकेट हिलाई. सो ग्रेट फील्डिंग बाय इरशाद. नाउ एजाज पंडित, थैंक यू. शूट्स का मैच कब होगा? I have no information about shoots match. Today the match is between Chukar Rilers versus Rising Star Poshwani. Rising Star Poshwani, they need 83 runs. This is a huge total given by the. Oh, this is another wicket, huge wicket by Mir Ubaid. And Chukar lost. Chukar Rising Star, they give another wicket, and Rising Star, they lost their 9th wicket in the shape of big wicket of Shakib Malik. This is a great bowling by Mir Ubaid. He takes his first wicket in the shape of Shakib Malik. Big wicket for Mir Ubaid. This is 9th wicket for Rising Star Poshwani. Now it is last wicket for Chukar Rilers. They need only 1 wicket to win this match. आज जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम है Chukar Rilers की. आज बैटिंग से अच्छा खेल का मुजाहरा दिया नदीम अकबर मीर ने और जावेद ने. और जुबाल बॉलिंग की बात करें तो इशफाक डार ने आज अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया यहाँ पे. He is also the captain of Chukar Rilers. He take 5 wickets, and Kamran Butt, he is also take 3 wickets, and also Nadeem Akbar Mir. Very well bowling by Nadeem, Mir Ubaid, Tahir, Faisal. This is Sirif X. Thank you for Sirif X for watching this live stream on my YouTube channel, Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is T20 3rd edition Super Cup played at Chukar, playing at Tulba crowd. The two teams are Chukar Rilers versus Rising Star Poshwani. Rising Star Poshwani, they win the toss and they opted field post. After 20 hours, the target for Chukar Rilers was 183 runs, but after 14.4 hours, the Rising Star Poshwani have only 100 runs on board and they lost 9 wickets. Now Chukar Rilers need only 1 wicket for this big win. This is good cricket play today by Chukar Rilers. आज जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम है Chukar Rilers की. आज अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा किया आज Sirif X. Salam. Thank you Sirif X for watching this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. Latif Chauhan, thank you for your love. This is new batsman Majid on strike. This is wide delivery given by the umpire Shahnawaz. This is wide. The score is 101. And they lost now. Now Chukar Rilers need only 1 wicket for this big win. Majid, and this is good bowling. This is total delivery. Score remains on 101 runs. And they lost 9 wickets. Now Chukar Rilers, अब उनको सिर्फ 1 विकेट चाहिए इस जीत को अपने नाम करने के लिए. 1 विकेट चाहिए. Now Majid, he is on strike. The new batsman Mir Abid to Majid, and this is great bowling by Mir Abid. After 1 hour, he gives 5 runs and he takes 1 wicket of Shakib Malik. Great bowling today by the bowlers of Chukar Rilers. Now the most senior bowler of Chukar Rilers is Javed Lone Saab. He is on his bowling mark. Can he take his wicket? Oh, this is good bowling by Javed Lone Saab. This is the most senior cricket player of this Chukar Rilers. Can he take his wicket? Can he give the win to Chukar Rilers? It will be seen in this war. This is Javed to the batsman. Oh, this is wicket for Chukar Rilers, and this is big win for Chukar Rilers. Well played today. This is Javed Lone. He takes his first wicket, and this is a win for Chukar Rilers. Very good cricket today played by Chukar Rilers. Now this is end of this inning. Chukar Rilers win this match. Now Nadeem Akbar Mir also plays very good knock, and Ishfaq is also taken 5 wickets haul for his team, and very good bowling and batting by Chukar Rilers, and this is win for Chukar. Thanks for watching this. Keep share this live stream, and it is Khuda Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.